Tips si Miss Universe Philippines 2023 Michelle D sa Miss Universe winners na sina Pia Wurtzbach, Catriona Gray at reigning Miss Universe Arboni Gabriel. Nasa El Salvador ngayon si Michelle para sa Miss Universe 2023 pageant na gaganapin sa November 18. Kwento ni Michelle noong October 26 bago pa man siya sumabak sa national pageant sa Pilipinas ay nakakausap na niya sina Pia at Catriona. I've had the privilege to speak both to Catriona and Pia a number of times even before I won the Miss Universe crown, sabi niya. Kinurunahang Miss Universe Philippines 2023 si Michelle noong May 2023. Naging daan daw ito para patuloy na makakuha ng payo si Michelle mula sa former Filipina Miss Universe title holders kung ano ang kanyang gagawin kapag sumabak na siya sa Miss Universe pageant. Sabi ni Michelle, they've given me their own unique perspective on the platform, on the organization. A lot of very helpful tips on how to manage my stress, how to manage the pain if ever it arises. And those have been very helpful. The small things matter. I actually had the opportunity to speak with Pia at an event recently and the tips she gave me was very insightful, very helpful. And especially one where it's about fit care. Kaya sobrang papasalamat ako sa kanya and I also want to get her thoughts on my final gown. Pero interview kinumpirma ni Pia na kinilig siya nang ipakita ni Michelle ang picture ng final gown nito para sa Miss Universe. Sabi ni Michelle ang approval daw na ito ni Pia ay testament kung gaano pinagpaguran ni Michelle ang kanyang preparasyon para sa international pageant. May mga nakuha rin daw mga paalala si Michelle mula kay Arboni, ang Filipino-American at Miss Universe 2022. I was privileged enough to see her after I won, so before they left and when we shot that digital magazine cover. She has told me just to enjoy the competition and be authentic as possible and just be proud of where I came from. Sa tinukoy na digital magazine shoot ni Michelle, kasama rin doon ang Filipina title holders sina Miss World 2013 Megan Young at Miss International 1979 Melanie Marquez, ina ni Michelle. May tips din daw na ibinahagi sa kanyang ina at si Megan. Ano naman ang tips sa kanya ng sariling ina? Just enjoy and savor every moment and really just get to know all the girls, sabi ng kapuso actress. Have fun because if destiny is on my side, the 5th crown is meant for me. They'll fight